Myra. What is a millet? Oh, let me tell you. Millets are a superfood with a high nutritional value. They are also called as a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, fibers and minerals. Millets are very affordable, hence they are also named as poor man's food grain. Understand, Aryahi? Okay. First of all, we will use our two millets, bajra and jowar. And the fiber ingredients are pomegranate, almonds, and carrot, and cucumber and some mint leaf. So now let's start the millet magic! First, Aryahi is putting some bajra. And now she is adding some jowar. Now she will add some pomegranate and some cucumber. And some carrot and some almonds. And mix. And Aryahi, did you know most of the millets grow in India? Oh. So now we will add some salt according to the taste. Now